Howdy there, folks. This is Luke Charles Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, and my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo. But you can call me anytime at 440-OHIO-RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. Again, that's truckandrv.com. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see the pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440-OHIO-RVs. Again, that's 440-OHIO-RVs. For sale today, we have a 2007 Roadtrek 190 Popular with 75,260 miles. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2007 Roadtrek 190 Popular. As usual, I'm going to start in the front, work my way towards the rear. I'm going to do my best to give you a good idea of the overall floor plan as well as the overall condition of this unit. Here at Kuhn Truck and RV, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. This particular unit is a consignment. We're still going to go through a full demo with you at the time of sale, answer any questions you may have, and make sure you're fully comfortable with your new Roadtrek. Got 69 to 72 inches of headroom here in the main part of the unit. We've got 69 inches here in the rear and about 72 inches in the basin. This is our trench drain for our bathroom. So your shower and your toilet are going to be inside of here. We'll check that out in just a little while. We've got our fantastic fan overhead. This runs on DC power, so our coach battery. You're going to be able to use the track here to run the shower curtain around. This will exhaust your moist air if you are taking a shower. It can also act like an attic fan at night and bring the cool outside air in. Got a cup holder, little storage spot here. This window has a screen. You open and close the window here behind this little flap. Got some storage up top. This is a TV antenna crank. You do not want to drive around with this TV antenna up. Our lights turn on and off here on the lights themselves. Got our levels test and everything here. Push and hold this button for our propane. Our water tanks are holding, which is your black, and your gray, which is your sink and your shower. Coach battery. Do not always trust these water tanks. Do not consider these gospel. They are not always correct. Water pump on off. This is going to turn the water pump on and off to pump the water out of the onboard fresh water tank that runs on the coach battery. Coach battery disconnect here is going to turn the coach battery on and off to disconnect that to prevent parasitic draw. This is also going to disconnect the charging systems, which are the shore power plug-in, the generator, and the alternator while you drive. Porch light switch. Going to start and stop our generator here. It's an Onan 2800. It's got 50 hours that runs on the fuel tank. Some more storage up top here in the front. Got a diamond-shaped table here. Got two table legs. We've got another table that's more of a rectangular style back here that's beneath this cushion. So we got table mounts in the front and the rear. You can hang your clothes inside this closet. AC power over there. That's the microwave plugged into that. Two-burner propane cooktop. Got this stainless or aluminum style backsplash, so that way you can keep that clean, wipe that down if you're cooking. A little tub there for some of your dishes, things like that. A little tote if you want to do your dishes outside with your outside shower. Got AC power there. You can plug in your coffee maker and things like that here on the counter. Water heater on off. This will ignite itself. That runs on propane. We got a three-way fridge freezer. This is a three-way, meaning it runs on AC power, so our shore power plug-in or our generator. DC, meaning the coach battery or propane gas. There's instructions in the bottom of the box there if you forget how to use that. Most of the time you're going to leave that in auto, and it's going to do what it needs to do to stay cool as long as you have the appropriate fuel. Got our microwave here. Got this little counter pole out here. Our DVD player. And our TV here is on a swivel mount. You can move this around so you can get a different position to watch it in the rear. You can also face it around to the front. The speakers here in the back are going to play from the front head unit. So whatever the driver and passenger are listening to, it's going to play through those speakers as well. So here's our bathroom. Gonna stand here when you're showering, everything's gonna drain there into the trench. Got your toilet paper thing there. Some room up top for storage. You can flip this open here, get a nice big mirror. Got our manuals there. Got our propane furnace here. This is our Cool Cat AC and heat pump. Everything's going to be controlled through the thermostat here. So just like your house, you're going to put it on whatever you'd like. You can have the fan on, or you can have it on auto, high or low. You're going to be able to adjust the temperature here. The heat pump is going to work down to around 40 or 50 degrees outside temperature. Below that, you're going to have to use the propane furnace. Got nice deep storage. Got windows that open on the lower with screens. Got curtains you can drop down for privacy. Pull the curtains across here. Window that opens over here with a screen. Got the curtain you can drop down. Got AC power over here. These are cup holders, these black things you're seeing on the wall. So the 190 Popular is designed to have people sleeping like this in two separate twins, get in and out of bed without crawling over each other. Or you can have one big king bed here. Go ahead and drop some pictures now and some measurements so you can see what that looks like made up. The twin beds measure approximately 68 inches north-south or front to back and 26 inches east-west or side-to-side on the passenger side, and a little longer at 73 inches north-south on the driver's side. If you use the table and support board to make up the big bed, it will measure approximately 67 to 73 inches north-south and 73 inches east-west. Down here below the couch in the rear, we've got the back of the water heater, got our water pump, our fuse panel that has our AC breakers and our DC fuses, access to the storage that's beneath the couch. You can also access that through the rear entry doors, and you can get back into here. Got our winter tank. That's the smaller tank that's located inside of the Roadtrek. There's another small storage cubby beneath the passenger side cushion. Here we are sitting in the rear of the Roadtrek. Why would someone sell yeast? To raise some dough. Got 3 seat belts up front. So total 3 seat belts in this Roadtrek. You can swivel the front 2 seats. The passenger seat's going to get a better position because of this cabinet, and the steering wheel on the driver's seat. You can potentially watch TV from the front. We've got another AC plug up underneath here, and we've got a noxious gas detector over there. Got a switch for an inverter here. What our inverter is going to do is invert the DC power from the coach batteries to AC power. That's going to be so you can run a plug back here to watch your TV, plug your laptop in, and things like that. So, nice Roadtrek we've got here. Not a whole lot of blemishes that are jumping out at me. Stuff you'd normally expect in a 2007. Has some chips on the stripes on the outside, but all in all, pretty good looking. I'm going to call this an 8 to 8.5, depending on how you want to grade it for those kind of things. Check this one out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Up here in the cabinet area, we got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt, cruise, CD player. Got a curtain you can pull all the way across here for privacy. Got this up front here for additional storage. Got a glove box. Got nice clean upholstery. Driver had put a cover on this one to keep the driver's seat clean. Not noticing any signs of smoking in this coach in the form of burns, stains, no funny smells. Cigarette lighters unused, so while it's tough to say for certain, I'm going to call this one a non-smoker. Alrighty, folks, we're going to go around the outside of this 2007 Roadtrek 190 Popular. This Roadtrek measures 20 feet 6 inches bumper to bumper with an 11-foot manual awning. The tires have 1821 date codes. This Roadtrek is built on a Chevy Express 3500 chassis with a 6-liter V8 engine with 75,260 miles. Got a pretty nice looking exterior on this one. Got our furnace exhaust. Got a little scratch there on this door. This is a spot for a coach battery. You can put a Second one here, we've got one behind this flashing here. You can take off to access that. A little discoloration on this part here as well on that panel. Got some custom stickers here. Normally we try to remove stuff like that, but with this being consignment, we did not. Got our air conditioner there up top. Storage beneath the sofa in the rear. We got our awning crank and center rafter here. This is a screen for inside this rear door. We've got our propane tank, valve to turn that on and off. They fill it with this yellow cap here. They'll take that off. They're gonna fill it there. This little cover here is gonna cover that up. Got our hitch or tow package here. You can put the spare tire down, use this like a table while you're camping. Got the fill for the winter tank. That's a smaller tank that's located inside of the Roadtrek. Most of the time you're gonna use the other one. We'll check that out here in just a second. Got our fuel fill for our engine and our generator. Generator's gonna stop running around a quarter tank, so you cannot strand yourself. Someone has painted these rims. Got an outside shower, it's nice for kids, pets, going to the beach. Back of our water heater. Back of the refrigerator. It's our shore power connection. So you're gonna plug this in wherever you're staying. We're gonna give you a little converter or dog bone that's going to convert that to your standard type of plug when you leave here with your RV. So if you run your battery dead, you can just plug this RV and it's gonna charge everything back up. That's exactly what I did. I left some lights on here, ran things dead, and now we got her charged back up. So we've got our macerator hose here. So you're gonna put this into the drain. Got black and gray. You're gonna do the black first, then the gray. You're gonna activate the macerator with this silver switch right here. Got a fill for the standard or main freshwater tank. So all in all, got a nice Roadtrek 190 Popular here. Check this one out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Forgot to mention we are missing this O up here.